Have you ever felt your heart ache after a breakup or experienced that gut-wrenching sting of rejection? It's fascinating how our brain interprets emotional pain. But what if I told you that emotional pain and physical pain are more connected than we think? Hey there, welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the fascinating world of psychology and emotions. Today, we're unpacking the surprising differences and shocking similarities between emotional and physical pain. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change how you view both your body and your mind. When we think of pain, we often associate it with something physical, like breaking a bone, cutting a finger, or feeling the burn after a tough workout. But what about the pain you feel after losing a loved one or failing to achieve something you've worked so hard for? Emotional pain is very real, and although it's not visible like a bruise or a scar, it can be just as intense. The science behind pain. Here's what's fascinating. Emotional pain and physical pain actually share the same pathways in your brain. Both types of pain activate the anterior cingulate cortex, the part of the brain that processes distress. This is why heartbreak or rejection can feel as though someone physically punched you in the chest. Your brain doesn't necessarily distinguish between the two. It just registers pain. However, the key difference lies in how the pain manifests and how we respond to it. Physical pain is often a signal from the body telling you, "Hey, something's wrong. Fix this." It's usually tied to a tangible issue, a broken bone, a sprain, or an illness. Emotional pain, on the other hand, is tied to your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It doesn't necessarily need a physical cause. It's more internalized and harder to measure. Duration and healing. Another key difference is how these two types of pain heal. Physical pain often has a more predictable timeline. For example, a broken bone may take 6 weeks to heal, and you can physically see the progress. Emotional pain, however, can linger for weeks, months, or even years. Why? Because emotional wounds are tied to our memories, and unless we address them, they can resurface repeatedly. This is why some people struggle with unresolved grief or trauma decades after the event. Unlike physical pain, emotional pain doesn't go away with a bandage or medication. It requires inner work, like therapy, self-reflection, and sometimes support from loved ones. The body's response. Interestingly, emotional pain can lead to physical symptoms. When you're heartbroken, you might feel tightness in your chest or a pit in your stomach. Chronic emotional pain, like long-term stress or depression, can even weaken your immune system, increase blood pressure, and make you more susceptible to illnesses. This highlights just how intertwined our emotional and physical experiences truly are. On the flip side, severe physical pain can lead to emotional distress. Chronic pain conditions like fibromyalgia or arthritis often result in feelings of hopelessness, anxiety, or even depression. This is why treating pain, whether emotional or physical, requires a holistic approach that addresses both the mind and the body. Coping with emotional versus physical pain. When it comes to coping, the strategies differ too. For physical pain, medication, rest, and physical therapy are common solutions. Emotional pain, however, is often best addressed through cognitive techniques like mindfulness, journaling, or seeking support from friends or professionals. One similarity, though, is that both types of pain benefit from connection. Studies show that a strong support system can help ease both emotional and physical distress. Whether it's a hug when you're sad or someone holding your hand during a painful medical procedure, human connection is a powerful healer. Isn't it incredible how interconnected our minds and bodies are? Emotional and physical pain may feel different, but they're two sides of the same coin, deeply linked by our brain and biology. So, the next time you're struggling with either, remember to treat yourself with the same care and compassion you'd offer to a friend. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this today. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Let's keep exploring the fascinating world of the human mind together. Until next time, take care of your heart, your mind, and your body. See you soon.